Bitcoin is finally breaking out right now with this perfect breakout. But guys, we need to be talking about this price action right now because there is going to be a massive warning. And I need to be explaining this exactly in this update video. Why is Bitcoin pumping right now towards the upside? And what is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? So guys, can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's a short term. And yes, of course, this pump back towards the upside has been absolutely beautiful. Of course, I've been opening up a very small Bitcoin trade over here now. It is nothing all too big, but it is just a fun little position. Anyways, yes, right now Bitcoin is trading inside of a weekend. So yes, we have that CME close price sitting at about that 64k level. So consolidation at around this level during the course of the weekend is just going to be extremely likely, just like in every single weekend. Just consolidation at around that CME close price. So let's see if that indeed is going to be happening, because if we are going to be having a look into the Bitcoin charts, well, it is going to be looking extremely bullish at these levels, breaking back above this level of resistance, which previously has been very big support for Bitcoin. Right now getting back above it. Right here it was resistance, right now finally getting back above it. And I have been telling you guys, whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this level over here, it is going to be huge, and very likely we are going to be returning towards this level over here extremely quickly, towards that 68k level. So that is already looking very good and very bullish for the Bitcoin price. But what is making me feel even more bullish at these current levels, at this current breakout, and why I need to be warning everyone out there right now, is going to be that during this Bitcoin pump towards the upside, still the Bitcoin funding rates are extremely low, sometimes even negative on these bigger exchanges. And yesterday still, during this Bitcoin pump over here, they were even negative. Which is of course meaning that the majority of the Bitcoin market is actually still trying to be shorting this Bitcoin pump. They are selling this Bitcoin pump. The Bitcoin traders are selling this Bitcoin pump, which is just adding more liquidity towards that top side, which is just adding more fuel to go even higher towards the upside. Of course, yesterday I've been talking about this massive short squeeze, which is going to be coming up. And yes, we exactly grabbed that liquidity over here and then moved towards the upside very big. So yes, that short squeeze from yesterday exactly played out like predicted, but today the same exact thing is happening because more shorts are right now being opened during this Bitcoin pump, which is just adding more fuel towards that short squeeze, and yeah, it's just suggesting that we are going to be headed even higher. So this is definitely looking very good for Bitcoin. Now anyways, why did Bitcoin already see this massive breakout right over here? Well, of course it was already in the charts, right? The charts were looking very bullish already, but we also got some news yesterday that Robert F. Kennedy, of course, dropped out of the election and was endorsing Donald Trump. So that is also going to be a bullish thing for the market. And on top of that, we also saw that Fed Chair Jerome Powell declared at Jackson Hole, the time has come for our policy to adjust. And because of this, the probabilities of the rate cuts just changed ever so slightly. And this was also a very bullish effect for the market. But honestly, these were just some small catalysts for this Bitcoin pump over here, because honestly, it was already in the charts. We were gonna be seeing this massive breakout over here. We were of course still lagging behind the stock market, and right now finally that catch-up trade is starting to happen. Of course, yesterday that majority of the liquidity was sitting above us. That short squeeze was going to be inevitable. The Bitcoin funding rates were still extremely low, and we have finally been breaking above this level of resistance over here. So of course, yes, we did have some small catalysts yesterday, but this Bitcoin pump was already in the charts, and we were already having a look into this Bitcoin pump for the last couple weeks. So anyways, shaping up very nicely for Bitcoin, because we are creating this higher low at this current moment, just like we did, for example, right over here, definitely breaking above our previous highs right now. So this is looking very good in my opinion, and is definitely going to be indicating that yes, indeed, we are going to be headed towards this level over here. Now, if we are going to be retesting this level as support at this current moment, if we're going to be coming back down, well, that will be a very good trading opportunity, and in that case, case, I'm definitely going to be opening up a way bigger position over on Bybit. So keep your eyes out on that now. Right now, I think that two scenarios could be playing out for Bitcoin. Either we are going to be jumping towards this level of resistance immediately, or we're going to be retesting this level right now as support and then go towards this level over here. But either two of these scenarios, I'm definitely going to be keen on seeing it playing out. Anyways, moving on, still Tether is printing even more money right now. More money is still being injected into the crypto markets, definitely looking very good. We got this tweet out by Will Alert that still more money is being minted, so definitely that's still going to be bullish for the Bitcoin price. We have of course seen this divergence over here, Bitcoin moving towards the downside while still more money is being printed. This is definitely going to be an extremely bullish divergence, just like we have seen for example right over here, and boom, we catched it up with a big Bitcoin move towards the upside. Also, for example, the same thing has happened right over here. Bitcoin moved towards the downside while more money was being injected, and boom, we got a big move towards the upside. So anyways, let's see if we are indeed going to be seeing some sideways consolidation during the course of this weekend, or if we are just going to be breaking out even more towards the upside, because the charts are definitely looking extremely good at this current moment. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, or at least prepare yourself for that next Bitcoin move right now, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus, and on top of that, you can also be claiming a $500 free trade. So make sure to go towards that first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, complete a KYC level 1, and there you go, you can be claiming a free $500 position, and also on top of that, that 30k deposit bonus. So that is going to be literally quite insane. Anyways, guys, if we're going to be zooming out for Bitcoin, we can still be seeing that Bitcoin is trading inside of this wolf-like pattern. We are still going to be expecting this massive breakout, and if we are going to be breaking towards the upside outside of this level of resistance over here, I'm also going to be opening up a massive and huge position if we are going to be doing that. Because yes, of course, Bitcoin in that longer time frame is still just consolidating inside of this range, but ultimately whenever we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, then we are finally going to be breaking our range, and then we are going to be initiating that next leg towards the upside. So yeah, breaking above this level of resistance is going to be crucial, and yeah, if you are just going to be zooming out, the big gains are yet to be made. Of course, this Bitcoin hash ribbon has been flashing this buy signal right over here. This has been huge for the Bitcoin price. We've been talking about this many times. Still, we are about to see a big move towards the upside being getting initiated. Anyways, if you're going to be having a look into what's a bigger, broader crypto market, well, I think that in this next leg towards the upside, the altcoins are really about to explode. I think we are about to see something like this for all our altcoins. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.